took my time to go one-on-one or mentor me because she is the mentor among those mentors we have hosted on our program on Air TV. I went one-on-one with Judge Funmi Asaolu because he's not the popular type or the celebrity you celebrate on social media. Very calm, but loved by everyone. The reality TV show has gone beyond Nigerian shows, even Africa and Europe. People come from other parts of the world to register their issues, their cases with Justice Court. You believe me today that Justice Court is free. Nobody pay for service. Nobody pay for litigation. But the question I should be asking you is that somebody must be responsible for this sponsoring. In this interview, you go to know who is responsible for the sponsoring of this program. DNA test is being conducted on all cases, nearly all cases that has to do with paternity, every now and then. Then the counseling sections on anger management, and this also involve money, involve cash. Who is responsible? Is it the Justice Court? Do they have sponsors? Let's wait. Then there's a popular man in that scene that you see every time that we come on air. Justice Court comes on here. Apart from the judge who's seated, Judge Funmi Asaolu, Akin, popularly known Akin, on the screen. Mr. Order! I know you will laugh. Yes, we will talk about him also. Then, who is Judge Funmi Asaolu? Where is she from? You want to know her background? Just watch. And after this time, after you watch our interview, we'll come back. Please don't go far. Thank you.
It's just, my name is Funmilayo Asaolu. I currently preside at the Justice Court, which is an ADR process, Alternative Dispute Resolution Court process, and it's set up in order to assist people that ordinarily might not be able to afford the services of a lawyer. We've had courts to preside over cases of 20,000 naira, even 30,000 naira. And when you look at it, such person ordinarily might not be able to get justice because how much will he have to give to the lawyer? Then we still have the filing process fee that he has to pay at the regular courts. So, and again, we're trying to decongest the cost list of the regular court as well. So that's just it. And the program is such that because it's being aired on TV, so with this, people get legal education from there, apart from getting their matter resolved at the courts. So people, from the viewers, when they watch it, they know the right thing to do, and when they are confronted with similar circumstance of any of the cases that came up in the courtroom, they know how to go about it so that they won't do anything that will be contrary to the expectation of the law. So that's it. Yes, that's what I'm saying. That's the whole essence. That is it. You know, we see all this stuff going on because remember that we have court reality TV shows all over and the Western world, and well, Justice Court is the first of its kind in Nigeria. We had to do that so that we can reach out to people without having that cumbersome process of getting justice. And the way it is, because the litigants, they understand the process. The court mediates, and they even get the opportunity to negotiate within themselves, within the courtroom. For instance, at times, if there's money involved, repayments pattern, they work out the process within themselves, the manner and which they want to, they agree. So they have opportunity of negotiating between themselves as well. You know. Process of admitting cases to the Justice Court. We have a website that is set up That's www.thejusticecourt.com. When they go there, there's a portion they will say submit your case. Once they tap it, there's a form that they will fill there. This goes straight to the legal team because they are the one in charge. So when they submit their cases, the legal team will go through, reach out to the defendants, and get back to the complainants. They try to resolve the cases. And a lot of them are resolved by the legal team. Then some others that might be a bit challenging, or then they pass them on to the court to me to handle. So that's the procedure. It's strictly through the website. It has exposed me to a lot of things going on in the society that ordinarily I will not be aware of. Well, maybe not quite like that. I sure know they go on, but not to the extent, especially when it comes to domestic violence. It's very, very rampant. Abandonment of children, because it's still matrimonial. Because when we first started, we used to have balance of different kind of cases being submitted. But in the past 1 year, I think 70% of the cases we have are matrimonial. And it says a lot about the larger society. We have cases of where it seems to be the norm. A man will start a relationship, either by cohabitation or through marriage. And if he falls out with his spouse, he just moves on and he'll go and start another family again. And they don't look back. So taking care of the welfare of the children becomes a big issue. And that's why most of the women come around. Then we have a lot of cases where the men beat up their wives and the wives beat up their men. It's both sides. It's from the both sexes, Even though most men don't like to talk about it, but we have a couple of them that have come on here to mention it, that they do get abused by their wives. The most common for the women is the emotional and psychological one, that the impact on their men. And mostly the physical one comes from the men to the women because they are stronger. And a lot of them emanate from anger issues. And some men grew up, even women grew up in such environment. That was happening within their parents or guidance, and they don't really see anything wrong in it. So they just repeat the same thing. And that's why mostly we get them referred to marriage counselors, or they go for anger management classes so that they can be calm and know the right way to deal with each other. And I do tell them at times, when the marriage has broken down or the relationship has thoroughly broken down, they have to learn to tolerate each other in order to be able to co-parent, which is very important. That's it. To see is just what to get. This is just me. That's just it. Jurisdiction.
Yes.
As to the jurisdiction of the Justice Court, we handle civil cases, purely civil cases. We don't touch criminal cases. We are not permitted to handle criminal cases. Not at all.
Yes, welcome back. I know you enjoyed this part of this interview, the first part, and this is not the end. We are moving to the next part in few days' time. But do me a favor, make sure you subscribe to the channel if you have not. Make decent comments, share our videos from ATV Africa. I say I love you. The other sections of this that will be coming up very soon on this channel. Don't go away. Love you. We have a target to meet 5,000 subscribers before the next interview come up, and I know you can meet up with me. Thank you very much. Love you all. Bye for now.